Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, so
Good morning, ma'am.
uh,
Good morning, ma'am.
question for Sunday's test is from the diary of Anne Frank. I already told you that day.
What, ma'am?
Portion for tomorrow's test. Tomorrow you are having English test, na?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the
Yes,
portion of
ma'am.
English?
It is from the diary of Anne Frank. I sent it to the class. Just okay. From the diary of Anne Frank is the portion. Okay, we'll answer this.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Okay, Aditya. What was the subject on which she had to write?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I
necessity
answer?
of talking.
Necessity of talking, yes. Okay. What was the topic of the essay
Ma'am, a
written?
chatterbox.
Box.
Ma'am,
Chatterbox.
box.
Chatterbox. Option B.
B.
Yes. Option B, a chatterbox. Okay, Vijaya, you answer this question.
Mo-
Vijaya Roy. Vijaya
Ma'am,
Roy,
Yes,
can I?
ma'am.
answer
Can
this
I answer,
question.
ma'am?
Question 3. Okay, one by one, all of you are going to get chance.
Ma'am, most
Yes,
ma'am,
Vijaya?
most adorable father.
Yes, very good. Most adorable father. Okay. Okay, Anuj, you answer this question. Who is Anne's long-awaited friend? Her pen, her cat,
Her
her
diary.
diary. Yes, her diary. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, can I answer?
Aditya, you have already answered. So, Dheeraj answered. Dheeraj, how does she want to begin her diary? By writing her name?
Little.
Yes, Dheeraj Kumar.
Writing her name.
हाँ क्या हुआ?
By writing her name.
By writing her name, नहीं.
Ma'am, can I?
Harshraz,
Can I
Ma'am,
answer,
by
ma'am?
writing about her hobby.
no.
Ma'am, by giving an introduction.
Giving an introduction. May I?
Last of this option
Okay,
बताना है.
Himanshu Raj will give the final answer.
Ma'am, by giving an introduction.
Yes, very good. By giving an introduction. Before writing the diary, what does she say? If I plunge right into, then people will not be able to understand. Then she gives an introduction of her father, mother, grandmother, her sister Margaret. So, Keesing's class, which date did she notice? On which date did
Ma'am,
Anne record
Ma'am,
the incident in Mr. Keesing's class in her diary?
20
can I
June
Ma'am,
answer?
12.
1942. C. 20 June.
20 June. 20 June, yes.
Am I right?
Yes, 20 June. Okay. In which city were Anne and Margaret sent to live with their grandmother?
Ma'am, B.
Munich.
ma'am, option B.
B.
Aachen.
Option.
Yes.
B.
Option B, Aachen. Aachen. Okay. Who was the
Ma'am,
only survivor?
Anne's
Anne's
father.
father.
Annie's father.
Anne's father, yes.
Annie's
Anne's
father.
father was the only survivor. In the end, all were found out and they were
Otto.
sent to the concentration camp. Anne's
Ma'am, one.
father was the only survivor.
1.
Ma'am, one.
Ma'am,
How
one.
many siblings? Only one
Ma'am,
1.
one.
A.
sister she had, Margaret. Okay. What name was her book published with?
A diary of young girl.
Diary of a young
Diary
girl.
of young
Yeah,
girl.
Diary of a B.
The name of the original novel is The Diary of a Young Girl. What you have read is just a few incidents from that diary, just a few dates. What did she write in her last
A poem.
Poem.
A funny poem.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Uh, 3 times she
A.
got the essay on the same topic, so she all the points were exhausted. She had nothing new to write. Then she took help from her friend Sane. Her friend Sane was good at writing poetry, so she took help from her friend Sane, and then she started writing. She wrote a poem, and the poem was so impressive that Mr. Keesing read it in all the sections
C.
of the
She can't bring herself to talk
Why
about
was
it.
she
She
unable to get closer
She.
to her already existing friends?
her
Why
Ma'am,
friends are
was
C.
not
she
can't bring
unable,
Can't bring
herself
herself
to
to
talk
talk about
about
personal
personal
stuff.
stuff.
didn't like her friends are not understanding, she can't bring herself to talk about personal stuff, all of the above. Oh, okay, Bhavya, you answer this question. Bhavya?
Am I? Can I?
Okay, Aditya?
I'm option C. She can't bring herself to talk about personal stuff.
Yes. She tells us that she doesn't have any close friends. Maybe it is her own fault. So she doesn't blame it on anyone. अच्छे दोस्त नहीं बना पा रही है तो वो दूसरे को इसके लिए जिम्मेदार नहीं ठहराती है. She says that maybe there are faults in myself. Okay. What shows Anne's love for her
both 1 and
grandmother?
2.
Both
Both
1
1
and
and
2.
2.
She's okay. Both 1 and 2. What language was the diary originally
Ma'am, Dutch.
written?
I'm Dutch.
Yes, Dutch. So Anne belonged to Holland. The diary was written in Dutch. Later on, it was translated into numerous languages because of the popularity. Uh, the diary was so realistic and written by a young girl, so it was naturally
C
very.
was talkative.
She
Yeah,
Ma'am,
was
C was
talkative.
talkative.
He was talkative.
yeah, she was talkative. Okay. Why does she give a brief sketch about her family in the diary? No one would understand it if she
Ma'am,
died.
option A.
Option A.
Option A.
To introduce Kitty to her family, she would forget facts about her family. She liked option A.
Ma'am,
She tells it in the diary in before writing. If I dive right into, no one will understand. Okay, why does Anne want to keep a diary? She has
She
no
has no
close
close
Ma'am, she
friends.
has
friends.
no close
He has
friends.
no
Option A.
close friends.
She loves
Yes,
to
no
write.
close
She
friends.
wants people to read about her later. She likes the idea of it.
Option A.
Option A.
Ma'am, A.
Ma'am,
Okay,
A.
Advait, you answer. Advait?
Ma'am, option A.
Yeah,
She
she
has
has
no
no
close.
close friends. Okay. Why was writing in a diary a strange experience for Anne? Who'll answer?
Both A and C.
Shreyasi, you
Ma'am,
answer. Shreyasi?
Ma'am, can I?
ma'am, option D.
She had never written anything before. Neither she nor anyone else should be interested in it later. Yes, option D. Because this line also she says that she thought that no one else would be interested in it later, though the reality was something else. Okay, why was writing in a diary a strange experience? ये
मैम
तो
ये तो वापस तो वही चीज
अच्छा
है.
वापस आ गए. Who would Anne allow to read her diary? Her sister, her parents, her real friend, no one.
Option C.
Ma'am, option C.
ऐसा तो नहीं कहीं दिया हुआ है चैप्टर में कि रियल फ्रेंड. No,
मैम ए
हाँ
मैम है शायद।
है
मैम ए
मैम है सी, रियल फ्रेंड, if she got
है,
one.
ऐसा लिखी हुई है वो मैम डायरी में अपने।
हाँ, दिखती हुई है, मुझे तो नहीं याद आ रहा। अच्छा मैं फिर से
मैम जहाँ पे डायरी शुरू हुआ था वहाँ पे लिखी थी, सेकंड पैराग्राफ में.
अच्छा okay. Why does Anne want to keep a diary? ये रिपीटिशन हो गया क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
नो मैम, मैम कुछ कुछ क्वेश्चन
Why does Anne want to? She has no close friends. She loves to write. Okay, this question is bit different. चलो
नो मैम रिपीटेड है।
repeated है. No close friends. अच्छा.
यस
What did she name her diary? Anne
Kitty.
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 मैम
Kitty. See. Why does she give ये तो repetition है. Which subject was she not sure of passing?
मैथ्स।
Math.
मैथ
मैथ्स
Kaushal Kishore.
मैथ
Which subject?
यस सर मैथ्स
Yes, maths. That was probably one reason why she talked so much in the mathematics class. Why was Mr. Keesing annoyed?
talkative. She was talkative.
दिस इज रिपीटेशन।
He was talkative.
She was talkative. Okay, which topic was she to write an essay on as a part of her punishment?
An incorrigible chatterbox.
I'm a chatterbox.
चैटर बॉक्स
Ma'am B. Ma'am B. Ma'am B.
मैम बी
Ma'am all the above.
ये भी मिला था, ये भी मिला
मैम
था,
ऑल द एबव
और ये भी मिला
मैम,
था.
all the
क्या
above.
होगा? What
मैम
will
ऑल
be
द
the-
एबव
All of the above.
all of the above. When you have MCQs, when you have MCQs, read all the options. Don't be hasty in answering. Maybe in the first term you have
Ma'am,
to answer. Dutch, हाँ, ये the first term you'll get the OMR sheet. In that you have to answer MCQs. 90 minutes will be the duration. Number of question is still not clear, how many questions you are going to get, but the duration is 90 minutes of the MCQ objective test. Okay, and don't miss your test, all of you. Class 10E attendance is very poor in the tests, so all these marks will be added in the internal assessment. At least
मैम
class
मेरा पूरा टेस्ट है ना मैम
दिए होगे तो है ही, मैंने तो सारा रिकॉर्ड में रखी हुई हूँ.
मैम मेरा है
अब एक एक का मुझे याद नहीं है. Class 10E attendance is very thin. You will land into trouble because internal assessment we are going to calculate the average of these marks plus the marks of the copy. So even if you miss one test, your average will be less.
मैम एग्जाम कब होगा मैम हाफ ईयरली
Half yearly November to December.
Ma'am school half yearly.
Half yearly जो है वो
Ma'am, in
objective.
final you are going to add the marks of these tests.
Yes, internal assessment is also there. No, 20 marks.
मैम पीरियोडिक टेस्ट होएगा मैम
यही सब का मार्क्स जोड़ा जाएगा अगर पीरियोडिक टेस्ट नहीं होगा तो.
And then school half yearly.
ईयरली तो सितंबर में होती है ना।
मैम जो स्कूल हाफ ईयरली लगा उसका
School half yearly, I don't know, but board has decided to take the half yearly in November, December, and in that you will have 90 minutes MCQ question test. You have to take that test on OMR sheet, and whether the test will be held offline or online, it will depend on the situation. But seeing the current situation, most probably it will be held offline.
ऑनलाइन हो तो ज्यादा बेटर हो.
ज्यादा बेटर होगा वो तो बोर्ड डिसाइड करेगी, लेकिन जैसा सिचुएशन अभी चल रहा है because already the 11 12 classes are beginning from the coming week, so there is very less chance that it will be held online. So don't be relaxed that it will be held online and uh, you can take some chances.
Yes, ma'am.
Online तो online ही है, it cannot be
ऑफलाइन भी हो सकता है.
offline ही होगा, ज्यादा चांस है 90%.
Then वो
Yes, ma'am.
MCQ
Yes,
मैम कहीं
only
सेंटर पे
MCQ.
होगा.
First term will be only MCQ. अभी तक जो information है उसमें
कितना
है
क्वेश्चन रहा है?
90 minutes duration का टेस्ट होगा. Number of questions is not clear. Duration is 90 minutes and you will have to answer on the OMR sheet. You have to color the bubbles.
मैम अभी सिलेबस भी क्लियर नहीं है.
मैम अपने स्कूल में ही एग्जाम देना होगा.
ये तो अभी नहीं क्लियर हुआ है, बोर्ड डिसाइड करेगी. Okay, so and you know answering MCQ is not easy. You have to make a thorough
Yes, ma'am.
study of the chapter. So don't be very casual. If you are casual till now, at least now you start preparing nicely. Study the chapters thoroughly.
क्वेश्चन रहता तो उसमें मार्क्स भी मिल जाता था, गलत रहता था तो.
हाँ, ये तो MCQ में सही तो सही और रॉन्ग तो रॉन्ग, उसमें हाफ मार्क्स का कोई स्कोप नहीं है.
यस
तो
मैम.
इसीलिए आसान नहीं है. और फर्स्ट टर्म के मार्क्स भी सेकंड टर्म में जो टेस्ट होगा उसमें जुड़ेगा. ये नहीं है कि ये बस एक फॉर्मेलिटी है. दीज मार्क्स
मैम अभी जुलाई में मैम नहीं होएगा टेस्ट.
हाफ ईयरली अभी तो नहीं पता चला है. हो सकता है स्कूल अपना ले और फिर बोर्ड फिर अपना ले.
हम पोर्शन 50-50% डिवाइडेड है ना.
हाँ, पोर्शन तो 50% डिवाइडेड है. जितने भी चैप्टर्स है उसको 50 से डिवाइड कर लो. इसमें तो इंग्लिश में 5th chapter है 100 dresses part 1 and 2 from this book, and from the other book it is footprints without feet. वो साइंटिस्ट वाला चैप्टर जो है ग्रिफिन, वहां तक आएगा. और पोएम जो है वो अमांडा तक. फर्स्ट पोएम है डस्ट ऑफ स्नो, फायर एंड आइस, टाइगर इन द जू, देन हाउ टू टेल वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, all those poems and Amanda. So 5
एनिमल पोएम वो नहीं आएगी.
एनिमल भी आएगा. अमांडा तक बोले हैं, अमांडा लास्ट पढ़ाए थे ना, वहां तक सारा पोएम्स आएगा.
एनिमल मैम 100 ड्रेसेस पार्ट 2 के बाद है.
100 ड्रेसेस पार्ट 2 के बाद है तो आएगा वो, क्योंकि 100 ड्रेसेस जो चैप्टर और जो पोएम है वो लिंक है. आज हम भेज देंगे ये करके बाइफरकेट करके.
ओके मैम.
चैप्टर तो एकदम क्लियर है कि 100 ड्रेसेस तक है. चैप्टर इज full and final that you are having in the first term till 100 dresses part 2, and from the other book you have till footprints without feet. Then and the writing portion you have the formal letter, different kinds of formal letter. We have done it in the class also. We will again revise letter of complaint, letter of order, letter of inquiry, then letter to editor. These 4 we have done, and you can get other kinds of means formal, any kind of formal letter. What were the main types that I discussed? Then you have analytical paragraph based on the graph or pie chart. That also we have done. Of course there is time and we will revise those writing portion again, though it is in the second term, but still revision has to be done again and again. तो ये है राइटिंग का पोर्शन. वो तो सेकंड टर्म की बात है. सेकंड टर्म में सारे सब्जेक्टिव आएंगे. यही है पोर्शन। और क्या ग्रामर, ग्रामर देयर इज नो सेपरेट सिलेबस फॉर फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड टर्म. Whatever are the topics, all the topics will come in the first term also. Tense, determiners, models, subject verb agreement, voice, narration, connectors, preposition, everything you have to revise. You have already done all that in class 9, except a few topics which was deleted, that also time and again we keep on revising. So in grammar there is no separate syllabus. Grammar you have to revise all the topics. Is it clear to all of you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So chapters till 100 dresses in the main book, and footprints without feet in the supplementary
Yes, ma'am.
reader. That is final. That is fine. Okay. So ये तो some questions are repetition. Why does Anne think she was lonely?
She had no friends. No real friends.
Yeah, she had no
No
real
real
friends.
friend.
That is why I tell you, don't be quick in answering. Read all the options very carefully, then you give the final answer. Okay, why was she unable to get closer to her already existing friends? किसी से वो क्यों नहीं क्लोज आ पाती थी? She didn't like her friends are not understand. तो ये भी तो repetition. Okay, what would the kids bet about in the class? What was the bet that was going on in the class, about which matter?
Ma'am, who would pass the class?
Yes, because the result was going to be announced, so all the students were betting who would pass the class. Yes. What did she write in her last essay? ये भी repetition है. When was the diary given to Anne? 11th birthday, 12th birthday, 13th birthday, 14th birthday.
Ma'am, 13th birthday.
I'm 13th birthday.
Yes,
Ma'am, C.
13th birthday. 13th birthday she got the diary. Okay. What name was her book published with? ये तो repetition. Why did she not want to give a brief in the diary at?
मैम ये भी repeated है.
हाँ,
Repeated है ma'am.
repeated.
मैम ये भी repeated.
Full name.
मैम option A.
Nellie Mary Frank. Yes. ये भी repetition है. What was the name of Anne Frank's sister?
मैम option B
Margaret.
Margot.
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 Yes, option B Margot. This is repetition. How old was Annie's father when
36. मैम C.
36.
36?
36.
So now 10 minutes is left. Let me see some grammar exercises. So in MCQ you will get questions from literature and grammar also. So in grammar also revise all the topics. Have we done voice this year? Voice किए हैं?
No, ma'am.
नहीं, voice नहीं किया है इस year.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Active and passive voice फिर से रिवाइज करेंगे. Narration, preposition, और ये तो हो गया था. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is direct indirect speech. Okay, so do you know swimming? John, do you know swimming? David, no. Can you teach me how to swim? John, of course I can. Come to my place tomorrow at 5 p.m. So this is the conversation and you have to change to indirect speech. John asked David, who will answer. Okay, Anuj, you answer.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
may I answer?
Okay, Advit.
Ma'am, John asked Dave, could you
Ma'am, John
swim?
asked David if he could swim.
Yeah.
Ah,
Oh,
if he
very
could, if he if he knew swimming. See, in questions with do, what do? ये डू को पूरा हटा देते हैं और ये जो मेन वर्ब है उसका पास्ट यूज करते हैं. इफ ही न्यू स्विमिंग. Okay, so in questions beginning with do, you remove the do and you use the past of the main verb. If he knew swimming, of course it is a yes no question. Yes no question, you use whether or if. David replied in negative. अगर नो आंसर है तो कैसे चेंज करते हैं उसको? Here it is done, maybe sometimes it is not done. So if no is the answer, you will change it as replied in negative. If yes is the answer, how will you change it?
Positive.
Yes.
I'm
If
positive.
yes, if yes is the answer, replied in positive. Here no is the answer, so how it is changed? Replied in the negative. Okay. And asked him, how will you change this?
If he could teach.
Okay, someone who hasn't answered today. Dipendra Kumar. Dhruv, you haven't answered today. Dhruv Pandey.
Can I answer?
Okay, Sugandh.
Ma'am, David replied in negative and asked him if he could teach him how to swim.
Yes, Sugandh, very good. Asked him, no little space is there, so I'm right. If he could, teach him how to swim. Of course, in indirect, you don't put the question mark.
Yes.
John replied in affirmation. Of course, yes. अगर है तो ये replied in positive, replied in affirmation, and asked him, ये come to my place tomorrow at 5 p.m. इसको कैसे बदलेंगे?
Asked him to come to his place the next
Yes.
day.
Yes, this is just a instruction. So you are not using the past. In three things you don't use the past. Request, order or instruction, or then suggestion. So this is also an instruction. Asked him to come to his place. Tomorrow changes to
From the next day.
the next day. Oh, ये तो बनाया ही हुआ. ये बनाया हुआ. Okay, so we can do this one. Have any of you seen a camel's skin, madam? This is a conversation between teacher and a boy. So teacher is saying, asking question, have any of you seen a camel's skin? Boy, yes, madam. Where did you see it? A school mistress asked her students, who will do it? Avinash Kumar? Avinash? Dhruv has raised hand. Okay, Dhruv.
A schoolmistress asked the students whether any of them have seen a camel's skin.
Whether any of them, repeat it, whether any of them
Had seen
Yes, had.
Ma'am, H
Yes, yes, your answer is correct, Dhruv. Yes,
had seen camel's skin.
yes. Uh, yes, correct answer. Had seen a camel's skin. So this is also a yes no question. So how will you change it? Using whether. Hmm? Whether any of them had seen a camel's skin. One little boy shouted out.
Ma'am,
वहाँ कैसे बनाया हुआ था? यस है या हाँ में आंसर है? तो इन अफर्मेशन या इन पॉजिटिव? ओके ओके द Shreyasi, Shreyasi, can you hear me? Shreyasi, where did you see it? How will you change this? The madam asked. Who will answer? Avinash. Okay, Aditya, you want to? Shreyasi? Shreyashi, Pragya is not present today. She's not answering. नहीं है. Shreyasi, Bhavya, Bhavya, Harshraj, Harshraj. I want someone who hasn't answered today. The madam asked him, how will you change this? Where did you see it? Bhavya? Shreyasi? Okay. Who has volunteered to answer? Chalo, answer.
Advait.
Okay, Advait.
The madam asked him if he had seen it.
Yes, very good, Advait. If he had seen it. Because did is already past, we are changing to past perfect. If he had seen it. Narration is very easy. You just have to remember the rules. Remembering tense rule is not difficult. Just the corresponding simple past to a simple present to simple past. Then remembering interrogative is also quite easy. Just you have to remember yes no question, use whether if. WH question, use the same question word, so it's not difficult. You just need practice. Of course, practice you need in everything, and in language you need it more and more. Language is not easy to master. Hmm? Rearranging. Okay, this is from the chapter Griffins. 11:40 हो गया. अच्छा.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके वन एक दो जब तक क्लास एंड नहीं हो 40 minutes ड्यूरेशन इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली एंड हिज हिम टू ट्राइड एंड इजेक्ट लैंडलॉर्ड disliked. Who will do this? Kaushal Kishore.
No, his landlord disliked him and tried to eject him.
Yes, his landlord disliked him and tried to eject him. Yes, his landlord disliked him and tried to eject him. Eject means to force someone out. Okay. Harshraj, Harshraj, answer this one. Griffin to the set. Answer करो. लैंडलॉर्ड ने बाहर निकाला ग्रिफिन को, तो उसने क्या किया?
Ma'am, in revenge, Griffin set fire to the house.
Yes. In
Or ma'am, set house to the fire.
नहीं set fire to the house. House to the
Okay.
fire में set fire to the house. ये first What you said the first time was correct. In revenge, Griffin set fire to the house. Okay. Clothes to away his get removed without hat to seen he been. Who will do this? इसमें थोड़ा ज्यादा ब्रेन अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. This is a longer one. You are feeling tired, all of you. Responses are not coming. Kishan Kumar, try करो. Sugandh,